Hey folks, today we're taking a look at KingD Digital, the latest addition to a series of synth apps by AudioKit Pro. We'll talk about the app, where it gets its inspirations, and play through a mountain of presets. Let's get started. KingD Digital is a modern AUv3-compatible app that reboots Digital D1 and is loaded with classic sampler synth presets. AudioKit Pro has been on a roll lately, cranking out nostalgic-themed synth apps: VHS Synth, Saga Synth, SNES Synth, King of FM, King of Bass. The trend continues with KingD Digital, this time focusing on the early sampler synths from the late 80s and early 90s. Released in 1987, the Roland D50 was an affordable sample-based synthesizer. It became the most popular synthesizer on the market at the time, dethroning the Yamaha DX7. The D50 was one of the first affordable synths to combine sample playback with subtractive synthesis. While Roland described this process as linear arithmetic synthesis, the Korg WaveStation had advanced vector synthesis. Now they're just making shit up. The common thread here is these are all sample-based synths, aka romplers. So here's KingD Digital. For those familiar with my walkthroughs of other AudioKit synths, I'm going to keep this really short this time, covering all the key features in just 15 seconds. Ready? Go! The main tab has a keyboard, visualizer, and a handful of effects. The oscillator section features 2 layers of over 3 gigs of sampled instruments and generated waveforms. Next we have a multi-LFO section, followed by another handful of effects, a sequencer, and an overflow tab with yet a third handful of effects. Where KingD Digital shines is in its pads, brass, and realistic instruments, giving off that iconic 80s vibe. This app has an extensive set of presets combining the sounds and banks from Digital D1 with the all-new KingD Digital sounds and banks, plus the community-generated presets. I've spent hours exploring the presets and I feel like I've only scratched the surface. The amount of content in this app is honestly staggering, but in a great way. It's a good problem to have. Now let's get down to business, as it were. I'll play through a selection of presets from the main bank, DMT Cymatics Bank, and the Moby Pixel Bank. As you can see, there are tons and tons of presets, but hopefully you're starting to get a feel for how the app sounds. Next, let's hear some presets by DMT Cymatics and see how they pass the one-finger test. And finally, here are some presets from the Moby Pixel Bank. And that's it. Congratulations to Matthew and AudioKit Pro on another awesome release. Let me know your thoughts on King of Digital, and I know I covered the features of the app quickly, so if you have any questions about the app part of the app, throw those down in the comments. If you're into these 80s inspired synths, then also check out AudioKit Pro's free app, King of FM. Thanks for watching, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.